mix with dub plate, no splice thing, pure real thing. You understand? Alright, we are going to have 4 rounds. You understand? The first sound for win 3 round, win the dance. If the man them got 2 round and it tie up, them got tune for tune. You understand? But if a sound win 3 rounds straight, him automatically win this dance. You understand? So I want to know these people. And all of the rounds them are going to be 20 minutes. You understand? So, sound man, right now, King Turbo are going to play first. See? So King Turbo just line up on a thing and make sure everything I work, everything plug in. Fat Cat make sure everything I record. God tomorrow everything I work. See? And don't forget thing called Rising Star, April the 4th. Wanna look out for that. You understand? Rising Star. And don't forget that thing I call Guerrilla Warfare. Saturday, January the 3rd, 2015. When I don't know, so Royalty Sound versus Total Eclipse. You understand? And the sound your name Crime Squad versus Desert Eagle. So now look out for that clash there in the 2015. And don't forget tomorrow night, when I don't know, you have a next war. Seeing thing called Weakest Link right inside the Bradford 310 Club. So tomorrow, if the man them not do nothing and the woman them not do nothing, we'll have a next sound clash for us to go to. See? So King Turbo, everything line up over there, so we not waste no time, you know. You understand? Right now, people, see the trophy. And then the fraud promotion, see? Fat Cat, big up yourself, everything locked. Super Force family, big up on yourself. Big up every sound man, every sound woman at the place, you understand? Right now, upon the clock, King Turbo, first 20 minutes.
Yo! Oh, look up for the war. Put you under the ear right now like this to blood clot. Look up for the war. War! Yeah. Remember, this is 20 minutes and it's an early thing right now. But people all over the world are listening. And people Toronto me like when they come and dance early and thing because the world is listening and they want your big tune from early. King Turbo versus Rebel Tone. Big up yourself, Fat Cat in the place. Promoter. And Ruby. Where Ruby there? Pebblestone sound. Fuck you up tonight, boy. Early juggling that tune, a request to all the people that want to follow King Turbo for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years in the business. What you know?
It's all about Santa's funny cases to me. How well King Turbo I'm
no, all who praise God, put you under the air right now, let me see right now. Right now!
Oh, I lift up my hands to King Turbo. Cause he make me strong. King Turbo put food on my table. Yes, and in my heart a song. King Turbo, we love you so.
I'm going to play a big tune from early. Anybody respect Shabba Rap King?
Yes, be it on them.
Cockatoo!
King Turbo on them test. Them walking out of a test. King Turbo lock the country. Gunshot them again. To the head, to the neck, to the back, to the chest. Yes. Special. Shabba ranks, alongside Cockatoo.
Yo, let me ask Newbie a blood clot question right now.
We know which one of them take care. Which one of them take care. Rock it.
Hold up. Yo, people, all who come here, war, say war. John.
We beat out, we bad. King Turbo so no one, nobody got. Oh no. King Turbo sound big, bad and we bad. And we don't want, nobody got. Slingshot big, bad and we bad. We want some girl to give him, tell them for sad. Don't tell them, King Turbo.
Yo, make me set the song good. Set the song good. Yo, a long time me play sound in Toronto. From Scarborough to Mississauga. John!
Turbo this a King Turbo. King Turbo.
Yo, all who hear about King Turbo from back in the days, yeah, that's Junior. Yo!
When me was a young kid, I'm skinny back in
Yo, we go St. Mary crew, Portland crew, Kingstonian crew, Blood Clot, St. Thomas crew.
Come me couldn't leave me and he said the dance got too much weed and rasta.
Yo, look. That's the King Turbo. Yo, look. Nobody send them goons them to investigate Ricky Turbo. How you investigate? It never help you. Nobody.
Police in helicopter, I look for the champion.
Nobody.
Soldiers in the fields.
Pull up that. Request to all the people them call King Turbo from back in the days till now. We are playing with anthem tune them. And me tell Blood Clot Rebel Tone don't have to have no anthem tune and have no Blood Clot tune. Tonight Newbie is gonna be on a bag of talking. Seeing 3 minutes of talking, 10 tune around. That tune a request to all the people that will know King Turbo from back in the Blood Clot days. Tune up.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
Yo!
I walk in the dance, so do I see King Turbo. We don't play it.
Big sound!
With a sound.
Big sound! Yo! Yo, all who know about anthem tune.
King Turbo again.
One thing me know.
There are lots of songs in life, some that you may not like. You're living this minute, the next minute you're
Yo,
gone.
put up your hand in the air right now like this. Hold up your head, King Turbo.
Be conscious, King Turbo. And by the works you should surely be paid.
What me say?
Never try to diss this song with me and the song will back the title.
Judgment. I can nothing but bad mind. I'm gonna kill them. I am the opposite of a man.
Damn! Yo, 20 killers, Studio Mix crew. Super fresh crew that the place, all LP too.
Turbo, I gonna kill them. Sorry, kill a man. Tell them to free up them controls. I love that stuff, alright, children. Bing, man. Well, gonna fit what you
Ruby!
and just your
You don't name Nubi, you name Ruby not tonight.
of corruption in your stand.
Pebblestone Sound.
Congregation in your
That's who the request of the New York crew them in the place. All who read Butcher Bantan, put you on the air right now. Butcher!
It's what is like a way to advance the higher. Who makes it already?
Yo!
It's what is like a way to advance the higher. Who makes it already?
Yo, look. I'm going to show the people them say King Turbo full of tune. Everybody know that already. Now we are going to try to talk out the thing. Anybody read Chronics round here? Anybody read Chronics? Yeah, that's one here. Yeah!
What I know, best friend I come to take your life. I think you could ever see. X, don't say a word, I don't know what comes next.
Make we take our time early round. If you have a whistle, light up your whistle.
Turbo sound. X, don't say a word, I don't know what comes next.
Chronics.
Velo. Turbo sound. Best friend I come to take your life. I think you could ever see. Hey, how can a man know you are bad with from your world? Be a enemy. We don't want a friend from
All the man who know them brethren different from so like a pussy wall. Put you under the air right now. If you know your brethren different.
feel me. Just ask them. How if you trust them in a circle? Where them are the behind you. I miss enough of them. Say them are your friend and when you check it out, them is a the
$20 and $30 for pay war tonight. If you pay your money for see war tonight.
Tell them war, it's war again. This bad man same place.
Yo, Junior D.
War, it's
Maybe ask Newbie a blood clot question. Yo!
I said how many more? Pussy blood that one give me never done one. Tell them war, it's war again. This bad man same place your life and full war, it's war.
Newbie try cut out the camera piece out of the throat. Batty boy!
I said how many more? Pussy blood that walk in turbo spill. Make them not say bad man wicked. And we make blood spill.
You have some man were evil, you have a next set of man were wicked.
And the answer,
how wicked man in the clash tonight?
love we big man them. The pussy this the bad man sound, baby.
How wicked man in the clash?
We tell them the man bad from them bad. Back level if you dirty, woman to scan.
Well! Kings let me dance, big up yourself round here. Fuck up some Sonia. First round, Ricky Turbo. Easy. Woosa. Yoga. Batty blood club boy select around here, so I talk about them man new, them name Newbie. Them boy there some Steve Urkel wannabe. Fuck him up tonight.
Yes, we like to sell pressure used to our King Turbo Massive, King Turbo Crew, and King Turbo Girls, and the boys who are...
No, all of you used to come at King Turbo dance at the basement parties, warehouse parties, Joe Bananas.
La la la.
Back in the days.
Go them say. And then you kind of way you turbo play each and every day.
Yeah!
You're acting like a yo-yo sound.
Turbo la la, sha la 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 la, sha la la la.
You think you're better than me?
Come and say so no have sense.
Yeah!
I select with
You're not better than me! Who there?
So no have sense. I don't like Ricky, baby, I hit it. I'm just making
Big up Specs round here.
this a turbo, you want for fit, you want for fit. Come this King Turbo, you want for fit.
Yo, look. We have blood clot big people, we have picnic. Every day my youth them go out, me a little bit afraid because the youth them go on the road.
Father, we seek your blessing.
Yeah, that's what it
Your
says.
children.
Anybody read Jack here?
There's some of us who missing. King Turbo, no one feel right. Father, we seek your blessing.
Yo, nowadays, you know. Big up the youth named Trayvon Martin. Big up Chris Brown, Mike Brown. Them kill off the black youth.
Please don't.
Yo, you know what going out there?
Cause it not pretty out there. Yes, yeah. It's wicked out there. Yeah, enough now with me out there. Yeah.
Yo, where me I said Newbie?
And them on them dead way. Living like dogs and junk.
Back to boy Newbie. Come and say people, are you ready? Bumbleclad.
Yeah, them mark out King Turbo sound and warm to them.
Like on early right now, people, we're not pressing no gas.
Nothing the pussy out of them afraid of.
What?
And King Turbo sound could never fly in. But them try. Make us try them with love.
Early.
Problems are done back to me. At all.
Slingshot, I want to
Will anybody read my father?
This is what the King Turbo is like. Rolling on the rings, I want to ride the bike. I said I got it pussy tight. I got the bad mind up to fuck and then my life. They're going in a tomb. Them
Hold up, ears up. Hold up. Everybody having a good time. Say yo. Bumbleclad, yo. Let me tell you something right now. And I mean tell blood clot Newbie and Pebblestone Sound. I mean tell Ruby and Pebblestone Sound don't have no tune and don't have no anthem. Tonight, you're gonna see the boy coming here so talk. And then come round and talk about him balance. No. If your balance play tune over chat, music over mouth. Run Jones Specs.
So like our King Turbo specs.
Anthem.
yeah. Wonder if them know which part them all lock up. Hey, my red, gold and green.
Yo, anybody read Sizzler from back in the days?
Hey, well, this one of the food of thought. Words to your heart. Just know yourself, man.
Hold on now.
Cause when the judgment start and Babylon start lock off, just a go see say.
Yo, Specs, we love some anthem.
Now the food of thought.
Big up Black Reaction. Big up Black Reaction in the place right here.
Over the west.
Yo, all who know Turbo from.
Yes, like mama, Turbo on the border.
Sure.
Papa, I'm just bitch magazine. Something, Turbo, you know, see a toilet. On shot, come on, so big, so
dead, dead.
King Turbo, I see a toilet. Tell them, they don't tell them, and dance with you. If you don't feel no bad like how it, sound move with you. If you don't feel no wicked like how it, why push with you. If you don't feel no bad.
Yo, big up Kevin Jackson, right now.
If you don't feel no wicked like and I say, boy, I don't big up them tests. Both them run things, and nobody can test. I do the great King Turbo, never ready yet. We tell them step aside with notice.
Where's up that? It's not no Specs. It's 10 years, 50, 25 years. Look out for my 26-year dance next year. People, it's not just no we are playing that sound here. And a guy coming here tonight, I could try discredit Ricky Turbo, but me dep on this. He might go tell lie. He might go spread rumor. But it's all good. What else do I expect? At 25 years, may I lead out this blood clot. Big up the sound that we are represent Canada. And we are the Canada defender too. Big up Super Fresh and Roots Man and them sound there. Say now Climax and Brimstone and the upcoming sound them too. Mr. What? Tune up on them Specs.
Yeah, man, a Turbo, you know me, I said Turbo with Turbo. Turbo, I go done them. King Turbo, I go.
Yo, all our Caput and mash up Sting, what?
Tell them it's a raggy go. The road is so rough, raggy go. Turbo with Turbo. Turbo, I go done them.
So me say what?
King Turbo, I go done them. Yo, Turbo, tell them. Tell them it's a raggy road. The road is so rough, raggy road. The road is so tough, raggy road. Road is so rough, raggy road.
Yo, it's a King Turbo sound.
Treading this road for the longest time. Now we can wear off his aisle. Treading this road for the longest while. We never get time. Treading this road for the longest while. Long time King Turbo, them not stop till the sign. Treading this road for the longest while. Never stop. One of them boys.
You like how Caput and mash up Sting. Caput!
Oh, let the word of the mount and the meditation of the
Yo, all who read Caput and put you under the air right now.
right. Everyone
Like this.
judgment.
Yo.
So music is a mission and for competition. The fun music cause confusion.
Yo.
Say I do man them like wise the man. It's like them now is.
Yo, one thing about King Turbo.
This is not the threat of warning them singing. To all those who try this, the things are king. The lights of the world and they keep shining.
Yo, run through Specs.
Taking enemies of
Yo, all who say push your button for free, put up your hand in the air right now.
I want a controversy.
Hand up there!
I want a controversy.
First one, Ricky, easy.
Then bouncy. Now we have a full band. I'm in party on the
Well on! I'm gonna say Ricky Turbo don't have no new tune.
Somewhere I got it, them I got it. Hey, we put a shot in on them head.
Yo, I know me tell Rebetone don't have no blood clot tune. What?
Listen me, nobody enough know what kind of gun specs a boss. Hey, son boy.
Call up! Again, people, may I tell you? If I go come in here tonight and talk all kind of propaganda, Ricky Turbo depend this, Ricky Turbo do that, King Turbo young and restless, all kind of fuckery tonight. But you know what? Him now go have no tune. It's gonna be a long talking. We've seen it before. And no bumbleclot tune. Run tune Specs.
Even a Specs, my brother, big up a Selma General. Straight. One to them King Turbo. Even an actor.
I want this many name coming in a good book.
Anjo. One to them.
Boy.
King Turbo, them clean and straight. Plus of them. You know, turn like they come in. Plus of them. Them a living on the street.
Over the so.
Pull up the scheme, boss a block. Specs no make boy things, boss a block. You know like me and sing some of them. Cause them a girl.
No, all who not beg nobody blood clot, nothing alive.
Then we know we are more close. So not up on me body now. No man up his squeeze man feels.
Body bumpy.
You know see kind of child that's a.
No outcast crew, big up Lord.
Boy things. So not up on me body.
Over the years, King Turbo and blood clot deal with this. We never run from no sound. Can you know why?
Listen at all. Them no one will reach nowhere. But I'm on over enemy. King Turbo said
right now.
At the top it's just us. At the top it's
just us.
Them can't stop it. If them can't stop it, just us. But at the top it's just us. At the top it's just us. Them can't stop it, just us. Listen.
Yo!
Sit back and you are watch time pass.
Ease up. I don't know the time. What? Saying? Because people them say the time short, first round. So when I press the gas, you're gonna notice a guy gonna talk out him thing more. Maybe he might play some tunes in his first round, but he's gonna talk out the fucking thing. And that upset me for my money if means I'm paying by train. See? So request. That one yeah. Early bongs. Ima cut some like $1.50 tune. And $1.50 tunes do good. But Ima cut some like $1.50 tune. And I'll take on a $25. Tune for the money.
We come in love and not necessarily peace, and I say East and Seckland.
So anybody read Chronics round there, put up on
Chronics alongside King Turbo Sound. Specs, King Selassie, I reign and rule the whole world, and we don't care one vex. And so up to bless up yourself, saying speed. Andrew.
We're never afraid of a sound from any blood clot where.
No.
Who is Snowy?
King Turbo Sound alongside Chronics.
Over King Turbo. Step a choice, road spot, nigga. Yo!
I miss a play by the king, love is not I bring where we fly down far. We step on the beast and I jump and we kill, we not fight, gonna war. Them a flip and a flap when them sound and collapse like the Berlin.
Hold on! Hold on, put up on the one that here right now!
Some boy head up them fall, and this is just the beginning.
Beginning of the grand finale!
Finale because eventually we get the call, so we stand up tall and we again up cause we kill them all and we done them all and we love. Oh, pack up your stone and leave.
I miss people, are you ready? Bumbo Clot Turbo.
I like it. Oh, King Turbo Sound. I like how the wire looking at early. It's a good look. I don't hear no splice song. I like it so far. It's a good look. Seeing? Right now, we have the next bad gonna come up now. That youth got world clash and put Canada on the map. That youth, him stand alone. You understand him name Rebel Tone. No balance, you're 20 minutes.
Yo, turn up the MIC. Make sure it's loud, clear, turn it up, loud. Yo, King Turbo. Wanna want kiss? Wanna reunite and everything? Wanna want kiss? Crackhead, you sweat on a first round. You come talk about, where you call me? My new name, what? I don't even remember to it, no, it no good. Yo, Tricky Turbo. I didn't want to name you yet, you know. I didn't want to name you second round. But from tonight, Ricky name is Pookie. You know the crackhead from New Jack City, the movie there? His real name now is Pookie Turbo. Tweet it right now, hashtag it, Pookie Turbo. Hey boy, I saw no one kill champion sound and I play a first round like on a jukebox. Specs, big up G98. But stay there, sir. Ricky Turbo. Link Rob Ford and find out how him come over the cracks up, man. And you good. Me 3 minutes, me don't talk about it. When you ready for tune now, say yes! I go and kill them blood clot. Watch me on that little dirty sound there, tin mackerel. Watch me on them now. Ready again now, ready again now.
I'm another farm in the hills, toiling from Monday to Friday. At the end of the week, I got to listen rebel to the play.
Yo, King Turbo, hold this here a second.
Yeah, me virgin my king.
And the closest you get that trophy after this. Oh, lock them up. All who want to kill them, rise the gun on them, daddy.
Beg you skanky, you skanking. Whoa,
yo.
Rebel tone till the morning.
Not true.
Believe the Father Rebel.
Turn on the sound. What it going on up there? What it like on up there? I kick Turbo, I mash up Toronto.
The way of the dance on is getting the dance. Oh God. Every song boy get desperate and well want to fight. Alright.
Now play my song them nice, quick and fast.
Rebel boss in a deep down talk tonight.
You see the people that come here for your song. Just go and listen. Go and find out what go on.
And that's why spread a little up and let your blessing go round. Plant your feet on higher ground. Humble as a dove and let the rebel touch down. Jump and sound, back and go.
King Turbo, you come play first round and nobody know in the middle later. You relax. First round, where they are you? Yo, engineer, turn up that sound and make a beat like them one. Turn it up.
Let the moon and the star and the sun come shining down on me, like a blessing above when it's bringing out the best in me.
Beer people may pay the money coming. When I get one to come for, so not dead.
Though the sounds may fight, I know they are.
Bradley, big up yourself.
Rebel kill you. You cannot play top.
The only people that come off this is sound dead. Who are the people that never love Rebel Tour?
Yeah, Rebel Tour was meant to be.
Well.
I'm just the working of the vibe. We are the place official, man. Real official. Hey, baby. By the media alone, but by the words that
I wish on them say no song. What me there?
Shall not leave by the stomach alone, love, but by the words with a rebel tongue sound.
What singer?
The 27 chambers of the Bingy temple. Last time I sit up in a low time for idol. Singing in a me and
yo, be the people that are rolling.
Sing the song.
All who bet to no money for Rebel Tone, your pocket good tonight.
What? Bullet and janga for me down in my pool.
King Turbo not left yet.
From the land of the fool. Rebel told me they are cool. Saying I had a messenger. To teach you about roots and culture.
Me a bop off some leg in my first round.
Yeah, man. Them a run come. I see them a come. Them a run come and play like record.
Jesus Christ, brother. Hey, brother.
What to the listener? Rock and box are coming. Wait till the song.
Rebel Tone, you a murderer. Ragamuffin, Dubai, you a murderer. Murder them.
Oh Lord, oh yes. Rebel Tone sound.
King Turbo, Ricky, Spooky.
Sound boy, don't put your hands where you can reach it. It doesn't make no sense. Good things come to those who work hard for it.
Tonight, me I make sure to get to the money's worth. Watch me 20 minutes. Watch me 20 minutes.
I would like to see your face on guy. The rebel tone, yes, I dust you out. Shut your mouth, you not scar out, back out. I would like to see your face on guy.
I mean, I represent the young sound them, like Mystic them, Rootsman sound them, and we are the ghetto sound them.
Let's try ahead, kill them with positive vibes. Rip it up, let's try ahead.
Toronto, Lego me song! Lego me song!
Just tell me, ooh, I go hold it back. Rebel tone, you done bust. Just tell me.
Rebel, Chino, Skin Run, Fox.
What the Eglinton bad boy them there? What the Mississauga bad boy them there? What me Jay not bitch dogs them there?
Peace and blessing manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge hurts you, well, it would be well learned. If we were made in these then call out Rebel name.
Ricky Turbo, your first round, alright. But your son buck, my son of speed.
Check this out, sound boy. It's like you're ready to die, you're ready to lose. Sound boy, you're there. Rebel tone sound, got nothing to lose. Dirty up them shoes, you're ready to
people,
die.
me sound like when me done a dub did nice. Me sound like Twin Star Clash. Me sound like last year.
Enemies, my rebel tone by the light. I'm a catchy, them a climb. Enemies, kill me murder time. Run the guy, come on the big man. Hey, no. Enemies, my rebel tone by the line.
I'm gonna play a Michael Rosen at the early part. Cause I also wanna deal with it.
Why you wanna walk like me? Why you wanna talk like me? Why? You can't play a sound like me. Then you really wanna be like me. I rebel tone. It's a champion sound, baby. I see your hand in my life.
Me hear some Sanchez play from earlier, you know. But them Sanchez there when you play Dumptown, when you play a reggae cafe, youth.
Hey, well, if a war, make it start then. Cause rebel tone up it and we no big friend. Jump and sound is not a problem. Them a go use them jump and.
You see the new song them a play? Them buck. You go play on my cranium, youth.
Hey, rebel tone, well, now we're going out and coming in. Yeah, we never leave out, cha-cha. No, or stay far from vampires, yeah. And now we're going out and coming in. A rebel tone, real born champion. Full up a musical selection. No son boy can worry with them and a star. Oh yes, Russ. Rebel tone, let them sound. Rebel tone, kill yourself. And they know your story. They can see what you're going through. Sound boy, it's a downhill climb. And bad man.
See man, you King Turbo. You come here and you're not playing no blessed. I'm blessed of the place, youth.
Murderation, turn a dead man. Have a one gonna go like bad man.
Yo, man, so I told them can't stop the sound and big sound because
youth, I'm telling you something. You see tonight, you notice me not talk, me just play the song them fast, come and prove a point. Now prove a point.
Rebel tone, champion sound, number one sound, killing the sound boy is rebel. I'll never let it go.
Ricky Turbo run left, King Turbo. Them kiss and make up because of me. You see that sound there?
Rebel tone gonna kill your sound tonight. Rebel tone sound.
Hey, Rebel tone, Mr. Rebel.
You not playing no Baby Sham.
Make it.
After I not tell Baby Sham, no give me no song for when dub is nice. Tell Baby Sham, me tell King Turbo.
Tell them since I war them a defend. The Askel and the Perry and them they are some fit them. Come shot a clap from them to me.
Youth! Them one know. Me come from Jane and Finch. Me must have song. I'll be your back selector from them.
Alright then.
Them one who I am.
and where I'm from. Move you with the heart, I rock it to kill that. I'll slash at the almighty. I am if the fire burning.
Boss round!
Like that. Boss. Them one, who I am and where I'm from. Move you with the heart.
People, go looking at the good books. We speak song King Turbo kill. Look, me and the baby son when I know song. Looking at the good books and who for name in there. King Turbo go sit up. Let me tell you something.
Yo, so them a bad man, but them a bad man feel.
You be hear me now? So when I say that, man a bad man, man a good attacking, me explaining shooting. No, newbie, tell the truth, I got you edge up, let me come, hey. Alright, ooh. Them pussy over there, so newbie do not keep friends with. That me hear some boy I do.
All who want me kill them, 200 here! 200 here!
Yeah, we got done them. Let me do it. Then some me go stop and tell them, sir, show me on your honor, all original there.
Yeah, batty boy selector, if you want come defend it. Suck pussy sound boy run come defend it. Anyone who no pussy will want defend it. Anything or anything send it. We stop Glocks, yeah, we stop mine. After we stop gunshot, dead body fine.
Yo, King Turbo, you think I walk over tonight?
One thing rebel don't tell them. Pussy will I will no feel. Think your chest lined with steel. Reverend, you don't know some of the big friend by the culture. Jane and Finch gangster them. Cock Street, Patchy, Frontier. Gunshot a bust out pussy head. Alright, well, King Teed, my friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Enough time man make me some of the earth start. Big 45 pop off, no pussy can't talk. The gun in a me and me not joke, me not play, man, we shot you. Come on, I like come DJ. Rebel don't sound not like nobody. Tell them New Balance, boy, yo.
All who want me done them, say done them.
Oi, 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 oi. We not have no mercy.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah. Yeah.
The Lord is our light and our salvation. Tell I man whom shall rebel to unfair.
Pull up top, Earth breaks. King Turbo. You see how me alone I play this song? You see how now baffle? You see, hey, when you have a thing named talent, no matter how much money a tool spend, it can't bad like my little sound. Big up Super Tone and look out for them sound the next year. Make sure you know some. All who knows that from God love you, everything alright. Tone not here. Don't them you.
Full time you pass. Mikey General. Yeah.
I'm sure you have to play the Far East rhythm, youth. Our first round. You see that sound here?
It's unseen blessing from every side. That's how we know that I love abide. Red, when divine protection.
You see me not left that so many in my pocket, you know. Me not left that so many in my pocket, no deal.
Sleep over my soul.
Knock me off my feet. Pass them, ask them how them do it. Sure. Rebel Town is a sweet sound place so relax.
Okay. Rebel Tone sound. No, we want
to. What the thing that people have there? What King Turbo do for Canada? What me do?
Watch me. Even though them put with you, them test ya. No sound boy can't put no thump in them chest ya. We no fear no selector. Cause we gonna sing sweet like the great Robert Nesta. Them minds spoil till it a festa. Them gonna go get.
You see the boy Ricky Turbo a sweat yeah. A one lap Ricky Turbo, a first lap a marathon. A Tapout Ricky Turbo.
To Canada so cry. You this Rebel Tone and tonight you are good.
Youth. I'm showing you something on my son. Bad and talented and dangerous. You can't listen. Them hear me play the junior read downtown and run come play it a while ago. And when them play it, you want me kill it, say kill it. Who know want me kill it, junior read, say kill it.
Rebel to one love. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la.
Hear them about sound have sense. Me have sense and me have play the sound. Specs now for mix for me. Specs now for mix for me. Yeah.
Them sound no go dead. With them selector they be a in it.
Suddenly Mr. Newbie. I don't know revenue. Yeah.
King Turbo split up for 10 years. And me make them reunite. Me and what, Murray?
What a last class don't crash. This must be for food come discuss me. Bradley made the knots light up like a Christmas tree. Them can't be spread. Come back we see. So the toys they have, them could have been like bitch dog. Them a go.
Specs not like Ricky. Ricky not like Specs. I'm a friend of to kill me. Toronto now go make the armor.
Yeah. So watch your sound when you a play with and I run through. Quick rebel town will.
What me there?
Yeah man, veteran singer for a long time, you know. Third boy dead for the banner line. Rebel to one. The banner I say.
What?
Look my banner. Look what you see is going on.
Well, second rebel, you got disciple. More time.
Ricky Turbo first round.
Second gen.
You reach a Mavado.
Fire button.
You're afraid.
And second Mickey Rankin.
You're afraid. Super fresh. Big up.
I'm down this iceberg.
Big up Fraser, see me Southern sister saying, that's them special, them special. This is not a toy. You're playing with a rough little sound. This is not a toy. You're playing with a rough rebel sound. You silly sound boy, it's not your time to play. Lock off your sound boy and let the rebel play, cause you will
The sampling.
Put up! How much time me have left? How much time me have left? Me don't want them mash up my head. Tell me the time. I want keep time. Ranger, where you there? You split. Hey. What? All right. Man, just done them a car. First round. Hey. Man, showing up people. You know my speed. Me not reach there so yet. A whole heap of time the pussy them go in a chat room and flap me thing. Cause me not too going at them something there. People not there to witness the death of King Turbo. All who love Rebel 2 and 2 another year. Me make dance nice. Yo, hear that song here for life.
But tell them this DJ bros, we are really rich at the real world. But tell them this, no better. We are really rich at the real world. You think a little time and push when I side, yeah. Rebel to not strive, yeah. We are still alright.
Rebel Town sound. Tell them us around. Yeah.
All who love the sound,
well then, they can't keep a good man down. Rebel tone, you play them tune, ya make the girl them surround.
Yo, me not have no anthem. Me have my anthem them, car. We don't know what go on. But King Turbo, hear them now. All who remember King Turbo from way back in on the new them. Way before me born. That's great, King Turbo. But the clock is ticking. Nobody no remember Bum Buckler way back when. Everybody remember what I go on now and what is supposed to happen. Look how long me there. Anybody know if them link me straight, me no back from nowhere. The boy them a tarnish my career. But me deal with them wicked now.
Rebel Tone sound station.
Super fresh.
We murder sound. I've been named all days of my life. Worst to them where I be out with my sight.
Some will share, others do as they like. Some will just bless them off with you with iron and fork and a knife. Some don't care, their rat is like ice, waiting to see you fall. Rebel to when you kill them the sound. Rebel to when you run them out the down.
Go back a scar, bro.
Life is so unfair. Rebel tone just kill a sound in there.
Why?
Because the fans are complain, so you fuck with them and play them, so the sound have to turn off. The people them know where you gone, so jump and sound dead in the land. Rebel tone now worry himself, cause we know for your facts.
King Turbo!
Before we born, collect off the sound selector.
Balance, just one DJ bro. Everybody country block a tone rap. After them jump on sound boy. Rebel tune killing the sound boy. Rebel tune killing the sound boy.
All who say me a lead them, we have behind them down here. We have behind them.
Rebel tune killing the sound again.
Yo, if me know what, me make two man way hate each other. Man will thump themselves in each other face, friend up. All who say rebel to a bad gun on it on here.
A rebel to one sound. Some boy have to know. So when I laugh, nah. Give it up. This a one sound when me know you can't kill. Rebel to one of the baddest sound in a life.
Watch out my first round cruising.
Right, rebel tone, are you the dance sound so nice? And now you are the people them choice. This you have to know. The play to take one left center, me tell them yes.
Toronto,
rebel town is taking over.
Bronx, rebel town sound.
all who love how the first round have won.
This is a serious time, violence and crime, and a rebel tone a kill sound boy every time. Oh, a rebel tone kill when
Yeah, the boy them know. Doobie's gonna talk out 7 minutes, and he's gonna play songs, and he's gonna do that. All who want get your money's worth, go down, go down.
Rebel town feel good. He ma kill a jump and sound, and he ma chop the whole of them down. Feel good, feel good.
Voila, no.
Yeah, rebel tone come again. Rebel tone come again.
Them now say I be a $100 song me a play.
Rebel tone kill them down. Lord, I know.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. You know my first round stay. Them know me alone I play the song. My sound name Rebel Tone. My department is the balance department. You have Blacker Tone department. You have Reverend department, DJ Boots department. You understand? You have Dirty Shot department. I think global. But you see when Rebel Tone for kill sound at Canada and for defend it around the world, the people them say no balance go through the gate. Me not stifle no youth. Every youth have them laptop. But me can't play a song in the first round all the time, see Bradley. 2 minutes, 1 minute.
Ease out, King Selassie, I know. And this is the original Chronics representing for Rebel Tone Sound. And I say Bradley Newbie, I say Rev, you don't know. What you mean? Step cross Jabooks.
Yeah. Aile. Yes, Rasta. As I was saying, I say Rebel Tone Sound, the world champion sound. I say Bradley Newbie, I say Rev. The whole Jane and Flinch.
You know this is Chronics and Jabooks.
Hey, Hey, kill them Sonia. Rebel Tone kill them Sonia. Papa Mama Africa, Gola. Him call Angola. Nubia win this a dance, yeah. Yes, them a kill them Sonia. Them all champion Sonia.
All who love on me and one ride the planet.
Tell them say here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the savior, welcome the Rebel Tone crew.
Ease.
All who want to play it again, say play it again.
Ease out, King Selassie, you know. And this is the original Chronix representing for Rebel Tone Sound. And I say Bradley Newbie, I say Red, you don't know. What you mean? Step cross Jabu.
You think I locks in this?
Hey, yes, Rasta. As I was saying, I say Rebel Tone Sound, the world champion sound. I say Bradley Newbie, I say Rev. The world Jane and Flinch.
You know this is Chronix and Jabu.
Hey, Hey, kill them Sonia. Rebel Tone kill them so.
People make you seal up the room.
Africa.
Make you seal up the road here, go. Make you seal up the road here.
Nubia win this a dance, yeah. Yes, them a kill them Sonia. Them all jump on Sonia.
Tell them say here comes trouble, here comes the danger.
People, make you play a next $100 song and seal up the road.
Yeah, Rebel Tone Sound, you don't know big respect, you don't know man like King Rebel saying dirty shot. You don't know shit. No, the Rebel, you don't know Jack Ross, so some big respect. You see it?
The man never love pussy going on in the air.
And when I find that girl, I'd lock her down, I swear that girl will be the only one for me.
King Turbo, we kill any sound, big or small, youth.
When I find that sound, Rebel Tone, I lock them down. Yes, it is a sound for me. Rebel Tone, a champion sound, yeah. I was this breed. Could you be in one of my shows?
Pull up! All of some go out, go to boom, 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 boom.
Time. I like it.